So in the yesterday's class, we have seen how we are transferring the data or the master data, I can say, and the org structure to the EWM system in the embedded. Okay, embedded pe humne dekha. Okay, so in this class, what we will do, as I said, we're going to see the how we can able to do the org structure data as well as the master data sifting in the decentralized system. Okay, so same again, I have defined the same company code. Okay, plant PLM1 I have defined. Okay, like company code is CCM1. I'll just give you the hint here. Okay, or else whatever I have defined for you, I will just take that. Okay, just a minute. कहाँ कहाँ ड्राइव बसते हैं ना उधर डाल पे जाने का. I have more this one email IDs. Here I have given the R structure for you. Yeah, I'll just paste it here. Okay, so the only thing is that this is also M1 for me. M1 basically will be only shipping the what is that shipping point and the plant. Okay, basically in this will be shipping that one only. Okay, I'll take double 10 and double 0. So this is the org structure. Okay, in my decentralized system. Okay, so the same org structure I have prepared. Okay, yesterday. So what we will do today, we're going to see just the sifting. Okay, so we'll not waste the time while preparing the org structure. Okay, so yesterday Mohan had called me. Okay, Mohan, if you are not getting how to prepare the org structure, okay, we'll connect and we're going to do it for you. Okay, this is at the MM side. Okay, at that time, whoever is not getting, please join that class. Okay, we're going to do it for one particular person, and remaining people you can do it yourself. Okay, so that one we will do it. So as of now, what we are doing, we are going through the decentralized system. Okay, decentralized system. I'll just double click on this. Okay, the same way. See here in the decentralized system, for ERP we are having one box, and for EWM we are having the other box. So these two are belongs to the decentralized system. Just like however we have connected this ECC now, like this we may have a different ECCs connected with the EWM system. Sometimes even S4 also will be connected with the EWM. Okay, that also is called as a decentralized what is that S4 systems we are going to call them. Okay, so here ECC is connected with the EWM system. Okay, so first I am opening the ECC system. But whatever the data will going to means master data or data will be preparing now, we need to take it towards the EWM. Okay, how we are taking and all we're going to see it. So here, okay, if you are checking what is the client and all, so how we will going to define the what is the protocol for the SAP? I said here system is EH8 and client is 900. So what is the name for this? We're going to provide logical system name EH8 CLNT 900, right? So this will be the what is that protocol which is given by the SAP, and we will going to define the logical system with this particular name. Sorry, EH8 CLNP 900. Okay. So this is for the what is that ECC side. Okay. If you check the EWM side, okay, we can open the EWM as well. Okay, here you can check. It is N75 and CLNT will be constant, and 110 is the client number. Okay, it is at the ECC side, and EWM side will be having the N75 CLNT 110. And what we need to do, we have to assign these two things. Okay, where we have assigned them. Okay, I have already shown that. Just I will be telling you. Okay, here in the ECC, where we can see that we have to go to the SPRO. Okay, IMG. This one you are not doing. Okay, please don't worry about this. Okay, here we will be going through the integration with other SAP modules. Okay, and extended warehouse management here. Okay, here basic settings for the sorry, not this one. Okay, first initially we have to do the integration. No, here basic settings for setting up the business landscape. Here we are defining, okay, what is the logical system. Okay, all these things will be defining. But here you can see that assign logical system to the client. Okay, so whatever the EH8 and all it is there, we have assigned it to the 900. You just check this here. Oh, it is not given the authorization. Here we are not getting the authorization for so many things. Okay, we have not provided. This one we can check whether, I don't know whether we can see. Okay, I can see that. Okay, so what is this thing? Okay, set a target system for and queue types. Okay, here they have just provided the N75. Okay, so these are the different logical system they are having. Okay, for the different EWM systems they are having. So these are all the different logical systems. So we need to provide what is that some what is that operating mode for this particular logical systems. Okay, they have assigned it over here. Okay, and whenever the new business system is connecting, means we're going to assign them at this particular end, but we cannot able to see that. Not an issue. So what we will do, so here only we'll be connecting it. Okay, so here only will be connecting it. And if you are seeing at the EWM side, okay, I'll just go to the EWM side, and here SPRO, IMG, here SCM EWM. See how we can able to differentiate the embedded and standalone EWM means. Here in the embedded, you will going to see all the nodes. Okay, this SCM EWM will going to come in the S4 only. Okay, but here you can see only these many transactions are the nodes are available in the standalone EWM. Okay, EWM, if it is a completely separate thing, then we're going to get only these many transactions only. Okay, so this is how we're going to understand whether it is centralized or decentralized. Okay, so sorry, SCM basis you have to go in this integration. Okay, here we have the landscape. Okay, how we will going to connect with the landscape like that. Okay, so if you are checking it here also, so again we will going to define the logical name here. Okay, what is the logical name for the EH8? We are defining this one, EH8 CLNT 900 for ECC 900. Okay, ours is 900, so that is why we have, sorry, no, sorry, this is 110, right? So for this 110, okay, we have defined the logical system N75 CLNT 110. Okay, and how, where they have connected these things. Okay, here you can see okay, see here business system group. Okay, we have discussed about business system group, right? Means whatever the data is coming, this will be coming from the business system group only. Okay, so here they have mentioned this business system group. Okay, the logical system is EH8 CLNT 900. Okay, see, this is my EWM server. Okay, in this EWM server, this EH8 CLNT900 is the logical system, and whatever the Q type are there, they are outbound. Means I am sending the transactional data to the this particular logical system they are assigning. Okay, and business system is this, and logical system is for this particular EWM. This is N75CL into 110. Whatever the inbound are coming, means they will be coming towards this particular logical system. Understanding now? And they have assigned this business system group as well. Okay, so you already know where we will going to maintain the business system group. Okay, so what we will do, we'll just go back. Okay. Yeah, here business system group is maintained here. See, this is the business system group. For this business system group, they will going to assign for the outbound. Outbound means we are sending it outside. Okay, transaction data are moving from this box to the next box. What is the next box for us? That is EH8 CLNT 900. And from the EH,
one.
Yes.
Yeah, sorry to interrupt. One query, like you saw this setting in decentralized embedded system. Okay.
Correct. Yes.
But same setting is maintained in ERP side also.
Yes, we have maintained. Okay, but basically the transactionals will be happening from the EWM side here. Okay, so like once it is distributed, no, you cannot able to do anything in the ERP side. Okay, ECC side. Everything will going to take care in the EWM side only. Once it is distributed. Okay. Before the distribution, you can do whatever things you want to do over there. For the distribution, in the sense, we'll going to use the confirmation key in the purchase order. That will be the only thing through which we'll going to distribute the transactional data towards the what is that EWM side. Okay, I will show you by creating the PO. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So here we have business system group will be both the side. Okay, so it will also be having the business system group, and we are also having the business system group. Okay, so just I am showing this. These are all the basis team activities. Okay, so we have just defined our plant and shipping point in the what is that decentralized. I will just show you that plant and shipping point over here. Okay, the same name, whether it is appearing in the EWM system, whether it is appearing or not, we can check. Okay, we have checked. No, yesterday we have used one transaction to check that. Okay, that is /n/SCWM/SAP/APO/LOC3. This is for the location. Okay, we're going to check our location, whether the location is came in the EWM or not. Okay, so we have to check that. As I said yesterday, I have shown you one picture, right? So I will just show it again. Here is that. Okay. This is basically for the EWM only. Okay. So whenever we are moving the plant and the shipping point, okay, it is unidirectional. Okay, we are using the application core interfaces. Okay, this is, don't ignore this. Okay, core. So we are using the application core interfaces to transfer the org structure and the master data. Okay, master data integrations. So these things will be done by the moved by the core interfaces. Okay, and here plant and shipping point will be changed as the location type. Based upon the location type, we're going to differentiate them. Okay, so here location type is 1001 for the plant. Yesterday I have shown that, and shipping point will be 1003. Okay, so that is how we're going to do it. And where we can able to check it, this is the SAP APO LOC3. We're going to check it. Okay, so what I will do, I will just show you the plant and shipping point quickly, and we will going to transfer it. Okay, so I have defined it yesterday. This one. We have to do the shifting from ERP side only. Okay, whatever the where we will going to produce the data, no, from there only we will going to do the sifting. But the thing is that here, whenever you're going to do the sifting, right? So, but when we're going to change the things in the EWM side, you cannot able to open it, okay, in the ERP side. If you are changing anything in the EWM, that will not going to transfer towards the ECC, because as I said, it is a unidirectional, okay. Unidirectional means it is going to move in only one direction, okay. So enterprise structure, okay, here definitions, okay, logistic general, define client, okay. So PLM1 is my client, okay. So what I will do, and SPM1 is my shipping point, okay. So I will not going to show because there it will going to take a more time. So here we are using the two transactions. One is for okay, I will just tell you, okay, /n. First one is the CIF M1. What is this CIF M1? We are generating the distribution model here, okay. This is sorry, integration model. We are generating the integration model with which logical system? With the N75 CLNT110, okay. With this logical system, we are generating the integration model. And what is my model name? You can give any name, okay. I will just give the plant and shipping point, okay. Plant and shipping point I'll give you, okay. And APO, you give again any name, okay. Same thing I'll going to copy and give it here. But the important part here is we have to provide the logical system N75 CLNT110 only, okay. If you are changing this, then it will be a problem. And here we are having the details which are plant dependent, and some are plant independent, okay. Sorry, material dependent and material independent. See, this is all the data which are material dependent objects, okay. All these data are material dependent objects: BOM, PPM, contracts, scheduling agreements, okay. So whenever you want to prepare, means you have already prepared and you want to transfer, like contracts are there, scheduling agreements are there, okay. BOM is there for the particular BOM means bill of materials for a particular material, okay. All these things, okay, batches for the material, we will going to do it. They are the material dependent objects, okay. These are the material dependent objects. If you go down here, few things are there which are material independent objects, okay. These are some customers are there, vendors are there, okay. These things we will not going to use the material, okay. But when we will going to give only plant and shipping point and click enter, those fields will going to automatically reduce for you, because we are only moving the plant. We have to take this, okay. You just have to take this plant and give the plant name here. That is, sorry, first I am going to show you whether we can able to see it in the EWM system or not, okay. I'll just use a transaction /n/SCWM /SAP APO /LOC3, okay. If you check it here, sorry, /n/SAP APO /LOC3. Okay, if you check it here, I'll just give the PLM1, click enter, okay. I'll say display, it will going to throw an error, okay. Location PLM1 doesn't exist, okay. But once I'll going to do this distribution model, we can able to check that this plant PLM1, I'll put it here. And here whatever the warehouse is there, and all, it means whatever things, if you want to transfer, no, we're going to do it and we're going to transfer it. I have just selected the plant here, okay. I am not selected the shipping point, so I have to select the shipping point as well. Then for the shipping point, we don't have the field to fill over here. So for that, you have to click on this arrow, special restrictions, okay. You are only transferring the shipping point SPM1, okay. SPM1, I will show that SPM1 also here, SPM1. So this is also not showing here, okay. So what I will do, I will just, okay, first I am going to generate the integration model, okay. Generation of the integration model. Once you will going to select these things and you will going to execute, means it will join, it will just ask us, okay, Here plant is there and shipping point is there. Okay. For these particular things, one. Okay. The object types are one. Okay. Shipping point is one is there, and plant also one is there. I will going to generate the integration model here. Okay. So just add these things. Okay. Click on generate integration model. Integration model PLP. Okay. That is plant and shipping point generated for the target system. What is my target system? That is N75, right? So here I am shifting the data. Okay. Means first I have created the integration model for these two things. Next, I have to welcome them, right? In from the what is that? 975. Okay, so I'll go to CFM2. Okay, these are the two transactions which we're going to use for the shipping. This is for activate or deactivate of the integration model. We have generated it, but once I'm going to activate, then only the data will going to move towards the EWM side. Okay, or else no. Okay, it will going to move towards this particular logical system. Okay, this logical system we are using it as a EWM, right? So here, whatever the previously done, what is that setup will be there, no? That will going to appear here. Okay, so means somebody will be given the different name is okay. So that name will going to come here. Okay, whichever is done very recently, that will going to appear here. Okay, so I'll just execute this. Okay, you first click on this PLP and SP. Okay, here you will going to get this. Okay, first what I have to do, you can do this thing based upon the select this line item. Okay, select this line item, and you can see I activate or means inactivate button is there, or else directly you can activate or inactivate over here also. Okay, first I'll just show you activate this thing. Okay, on green color tick mark will come, and for this I'll be starting the what is that activation of the integration model. Okay, so you just ignore this thing. It is not for us. Okay, actually some SIF is for LOC inbound and all they have shown. Okay, that is not for us. Okay, so if any error is there, it will going to show over here. Okay, nothing is there means it will going to give you the complete green checks. Okay, so now
normally who will be performing this activity, Sri?
Whenever they're going to provide
Basis.
the this will be done by the EWM people only in the decentralized, because once they're going to provide the plant and what is that shipping point, we need to perform this. Okay, this is very easy. Okay, so anybody can perform this. People can also perform this and provide.
Can hear
you? Yes.
Yeah, it was breaking. Yeah, okay, go on.
Yeah, okay. So
so is it one-time activity, or whenever we are creating any new plant, we have to mandatorily do this?
We have to mandatorily do this. If you are changing something in the material also, you have to do this again for that material.
Okay, so automatic shifting process is not there. We have to perform manually.
Manually, yes, we have to perform it manually only. I will show you that part I'll be showing you. Okay, because I'll be when I'm going to shift the material, no, that material. Okay, you can only able to see whatever the data you are changing in the ERP side. Once you're going to shift it, then only it will going to appear in the EWM side. Okay, small changes also available means it will going to, you have to shift it. Okay, without shifting you cannot. Okay. So what I means it is done now. We'll go towards the EWM side here. Okay, again I will come to this particular what is that transaction. Okay, so it is one. Okay, it is done for us. So this is also one. Okay, I will go to this transaction here. Okay, so the location is PLM1 I will take. Okay, location PLM1. I have already shifted it. Let's check. Okay, just click enter. See, now it is coming up. Okay, this is a production plant for me. And if you display the thing, okay, again, as I said, okay, what I will do, I will just show you this. see here, what it is telling exactly. Okay, the location is PLM1. Okay, location type is 1001. Okay, which is coming from this particular business system group. This is the BSG, and here in this particular business system group, the name is PLM1. Getting the concept? Okay, if you are going like a if you want to understand this concept, no, so this is the PLM1 is the location, that is the plant, which is a location type 1001. Okay, which is coming from the business system group BSG 900, and there its name is PLM1. Got the idea? Okay, that is how we are taking the details here. Okay, this is one thing. And if you are checking for the shipping point also, okay, SP M1, I'll click and click enter. See, here it is 1003. Okay, 1003 is automatically coming. And if you are checking also again, see, SPM1 is the location, which is the location type is 1003, and it is coming from the business system group BSG underscore 900, and there its name is SPM1. Okay, any doubts here in this CIF? No, right? Okay. So, and we will going to use a transact means a report MM60 for checking the how many materials we have created in our ERP means our plant. Okay. Yes.
Sure, sir.
Yeah.
ಈಗ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅದು ನನಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕದು?
ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್?
ಈ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ECC ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
This one? It should come, right? ನೀನು ಬರಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ?
ಅದೇ ನಂಗೆ ಅದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ.
We will check this. Okay, we'll check this one.
Okay.
Why it is not coming?
Okay.
So here I will be going towards the plant. Okay, so in the material, okay, we are shifting the material now. I will just check the material. What are the different materials I have prepared? Okay, one material only I have created, MM60. You can see that. Okay, here I am going to put my plant PLM1. Okay, just execute. Here I have created only one material. Okay, PLM1 mat1. Then I will going to show here. Okay, so or else, okay, not to see that. Okay, so here in the EWM system we can check that, right? So where we're going to check this /n/SAP/APO/MAT1. It is a global level. Okay, we're going to check whether this material is in the EWM system or not. Okay, at the global level. I'm not checking at the warehouse level. Okay, PLM1 mat1. I'll type it here and give the global name here. Okay, and just display. Okay, see, it is not there. Okay, we have not yet saved it. That is why it is not coming. So what I will do?
No, product is PLAM1.
No, sorry.
You have entered.
Yeah, sorry, I will just. Okay, still it will not come. Okay, so if you say also PLM1 mat1, it is not coming because it is not at shift. Okay, so what I will do? I will again do the same activity over here. Okay, shifting. Okay, /n CFM1. Okay, I will say material, and I will say material here also. Okay, just click enter. Which material you are sending? This one. Okay, I am sending the material here, and you have to put the material name. Okay, if you are having so many materials, then what we'll do? We'll going to choose the multiple selections. Okay, once you're going to click on this, you can put whatever the materials you are having, hundreds of materials, you can put it over here. Okay, then you can proceed further. Okay, but mine is only one material. So what I will do? PLM1. What is that? mat1. I will going to put it here and execute it. The same material will going to appear. Okay, so this is the material which I want to shift now. Okay, and I will just execute this. Yes.
When we should use CFM1, when we should use CFM2?
Yeah, means whenever you are shifting the data, no, you have to use both the transactions. That is mandatory. This is CFM1 is to generate the integration model. Okay, CFM1.
Sorry, this is basis activity means any job schedule is there ki manual every time?
No, we have to do it manual, right? Because
no, I don't.
Huh?
Because someone created 100 material in a day, so 100 times ऐसा नहीं होगा
No,
ना?
100 times we are not doing it, right? So if you are, no, that is the mandatory thing, okay?
There is some job scheduling in background, means every
Yeah, I got it. I got your point. But this thing, okay, means in most of the activities I have seen in the business systems, they are doing the sifting manually only. Okay, because they are having the materials. If they are creating hundreds of materials also, they can transfer them immediately. Okay, that is possible. They will going to take all the materials at once and they'll going to do the sifting. Okay, so this is a manual thing. Okay, we batch scheduling and all, they may not do it. Okay, wherever I seen, okay, because a few of my friends also working in the decentralized, they told they are doing it manually only. Okay. So here we
Okay,
are
so
who will run
is
this transaction, means functional or from business or
functional only has to run this.
means business team confirm to core team ki just do we have created this and send it to another system.
Yes, this is that means this can be done by the end users also. It is not a big thing, okay? So we are just generating the means integration model and we are just activating it back, right? So end users can take this lead and they can do it. Yes,
okay,
Dinesh.
what are the possible errors we may get while sifting?
Okay, while sifting, if you are putting some material name, different material name, then whatever the material you are putting, no, that will not going to sift there. Okay, that time it will going to throw the error. The material is not exist. Okay, if you are putting like hundreds of materials, okay, one material or two materials are giving the error, means we have to check them again. Okay, again we need to sift those materials and we have to send it. Okay.
Okay.
So this is CIF-M2. We'll be using it for the activation purpose. Okay. So I will be doing the CIF-M1. Here I am generating the integration model. Again, it is gone. No, it is there. Okay. So integration model is happening. Okay. The target system is this one. Okay. I'll just execute this. And if I go to the /n CIF-M2, here I'll show you one error. Okay. This is the model which is we are activating. So just execute. Here is the material. See, some few are got some errors here. Okay. So here they might not have activated it till now. Okay. This is ours. Okay. Created by Mayur. I'll just here also you can able to activate this. Okay. You select the line item and click the activate, or else directly you can select this. Okay. And select the line item. You just start it. Okay. See here one error will come. Okay, RFC user, some user function, this one, SAP CIF underscore location underscore inbound. Okay, this is some, what is that? See, AP is not defined for the country IN. Okay, see, he has created some, what is that? Well, means maybe, what is that? Some customer or the vendor, he has CIFing it and he has given AP as a country. Okay, IN. Actually, this IN is the, sorry, AP is the reason. Actually, he has given the AP as the reason for the country IN, because in the reason tab we'll be giving a 10, 13, like that we'll be giving, right? You have seen that while creating the what is that vendor or the customers. Okay, but he has given AP. Okay, this is a wrong thing, right? So it is giving the error here for someone. Okay, it is not for us. Okay, so I'll just ignore this. This is not for me. Okay, I'll just ignore this. So this is processing. I'll say yes here. See, mine is completely green, means it is activated now. Okay, once I'm going to check it in the EWM side. Okay, I will just again come to this. Sorry. SAP.
So it is getting interface from ECC to EWM via IDOCS kind of concept, or
IDOCS also
text
available.
format.
No, IDOCS also available, but basically this sifting only will be used for the what is that, master data and org structure transfer.
Okay, so there may be possibilities if IDOC is failed, we may have to go and check why the IDOC got failed.
Actually, I have not worked on the IDOC till now.
Okay.
I don't have much idea on that.
Okay.
Okay. So here I will just use this SAP APO Mat 1. Okay. So I will just put my material number here. Okay. PLM on Mat 1, and I'll choose the global data and I'll say display here. Okay. Now as the data is saved, we can able to see the material in the EWM side. And what is how we can able to see? See, this is the product. Okay. This is the product. From where it is coming? It is coming from the business system group BSG _ 900, and here in this BSG _ 900, the material number is this one. Okay, when I will going to show the materials to you, okay, /n PL /n MM03 MM03. Oh, sorry, I'm doing it in the EWM side only. This is ERP. Okay, material is